Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks traded higher on Wednesday, with investors awaiting the release of fresh US inflation data and earnings. The S&P 500 gained 0.57%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.45%. The Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.75%. Intuitive Surgical and Lennar pulled the broad market index higher, gaining 10.3% and 3.5% respectively. Intuitive increased its procedure growth outlook for fiscal year 2024 after the market closed on Tuesday, when Lennar had also announced an increase to its annual dividend. Investors await the latest consumer price index report slated for release on Thursday. Economists polled by Dow Jones expect CPI to rise by 3.2% year over year in December. Investors will look through the report for clues on when the Federal Reserve may start cutting rates. Some of those expectations have been dialed back in recent days, although the odds hover at around 64%, according to CME Group FedWatch tool. Earnings heats up on Friday, with results from major financial heavyweights including JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America, along with United Health and Delta Airlines. Overall, US sectors were mixed overnight. Communications was the best performer, followed by tech and consumer discretionary. Energy was the worst performer. The US SEC is expected to announce its decision on Bitcoin exchange-traded funds today, while the Chicago Board Options Exchange plans to launch 8 new ETFs on January 11. In anticipation of this decision, companies are intensifying competition by reducing fees on their proposed Bitcoin ETFs to attract investors, with BlackRock lowering its fees on its iShares ETF and offering an introductory rate of 0.12% for the first 12 months or the first $5 billion in assets. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.17% rise. Thank you for listening.